Welcome back to another episode of Bob Montego. When I was younger, kids used to, as a matter of, I'm gonna say endearment, would smoke little cigarette butts that adults in the family probably throw away that were not extinguished, just to puff, and it was a thing of endearment. You feel like you're grown and so forth. But parents, do you know that many kids, and I mean when I say many, I mean a lot of kids are actually smoking in school? Now, if you did not know that, it's perhaps because they're not smoking cigarettes, they're smoking vapes. Now, vapes are hard to identify sometimes because those things can look like a flash drive or a pen or a phone charger or any one of those little implements that we use, electrical implements. They're hard to detect. These things don't give off smoke, so you don't generally realize that they're being used. They give off fumes. They're not lit as in with a fire, but you pull on them and it ignites automatically, gives off what it needs to give off, and then it extinguishes. And the fumes that comes off it, the students oftentimes will simply blow it down their shirt or in a book bag or under the desk or something, and nobody will see any smoking occurring. Yes, this is how it is. It doesn't give off any smell, not at least not to my knowledge, unless they probably have one that is laced with weed, a weed pad or something like that. And then, in that case, a teacher may find out, or someone may notice. But it has become a very serious thing because these vapes are very powerful. Take, for example, a vape that is a 20 milligram vape that has a content of, say, 40 milligrams of nicotine can generally be equivalent to about 2 packs of cigarette, 2 packs of 20 cigarettes, right? So 2 packs of cigarette, each box holding 20. These are some very powerful nicotine enriched substance that your kids are smoking. And now, whereas we generally would smoke one cigarette, usually, they are pulling on vapes that is several times more powerful than individual cigarettes, several times more powerful. And therefore, students, kids, adults are becoming way more addicted quickly than ever before. And this is being done in an unsuspecting way because of course the vape looks cute and looks, give off the air of sophistication. That usually was the reason people started smoking in the days when a lot of people did not know about the dangers of smoking. It was because they think it gave them an air of sophistication. But this is causing huge problem with students. It doesn't matter if it's high school or college. Students are experiencing memory retention problems because of this. They are experiencing agitation. When they need a whiff of nicotine, they are agitated, making them more likely to be get into conflict with teachers and peers. Right? They're requiring frequent trips to bathroom because that's a place they love, one of their favorite spots to take a puff. But failing that, they will do it right there in the class because it's hard to see. They could smoke it from their sleeves. They could smoke it from their binder, from their book bag, from behind a cell phone. If it's one of the schools that permits cell phone, they could do it from just about anything. All right, and it's hard to detect. This has become a huge problem because there is serious addiction in kids. You can see it. Their eyes are fiery red, always having eye drops and stuff to disguise the effects of this vaping. Parents, pay attention to your kids. Check them. Do not look at them and think, oh, my little Johnny's, my cute little Johnny won't be smoking, or my daughter, my little Vanessa won't be smoking in school. Check their book bags. check them for smells. For I know it's odorless, but check them for something, signs of it. Ask professional, ask your friend, check a teacher, principal, check this is occurring. Now, it is true that a lot of parents are fully aware of the problem and just overwhelmed and can't deal with the problem, and they're just managing it or anything. But for those of you who don't know that your kids are doing this, check. Just do a random check. Any little strange gadget that you can't figure out what it is, check it. Look at it. It is a huge problem, very huge problem in school. Check them. Thanks for watching Bob Montego, and if you have not yet done so, please like, share, subscribe, and tell someone about my videos. Thank you again for watching.